Welcome to Mini Miracles, Flags and Phonics. This is part 15 of our Asia Flags and Facts. The first flag we are going to see today is Thailand, and as you can see there are two red color on both sides of the flag. The red denotes the people or land or their bloodshed for independence. The two white stripes denote the religion Buddhism and also the meaning of purity. And then the blue color denotes monarchy and the color of King Rama 6. Okay, so this is the flag color meaning of Thailand, and the capital is Bangkok. Okay, and then how we are going to remember the story sequence, as I told you. So a cock has entered a bank, so that is Bangkok, and to chase the flag, to chase the cock, a Thai, okay, that is the mother. We say in Tamil Thai, okay. So a mother standing in the bank, so that is the language actually Thai. She wants to chase the cock with her bat, okay. So the currency is actually baht. So we are going to just imagine that it is bat, and then since she doesn't find any bat, she is using she calls an elephant and uses its trunk and asks to chase the cock with its trunk. Okay, so the national animal is elephant, and then she also sets fire on the back of that cock to chase it. Okay, so see, you can see there is an yellow spot on the bird. So this is a Siamese fireback. We are going to think that this is a cock which we are talking about. So see, there is an yellow spot. When it flies, you can see this yellow spot. So that is why it is called, and it will look like a fire. Okay, so that is why the name is Siamese fireback. So this is a national bird. So like that you can remember the flag details of the Thailand country. And then the next flag is Timor Leste. So Timor means east and Leste also east. So actually the meaning is east is that name. And then the red denotes a struggle of the people, and then the yellow struggle for their independence, and then the black color is the colonial repression, and then this white is their belief towards a brighter future. Okay, and then the national animal is crocodile. So there is a very interesting story about this country. Actually this is an island, so it seems that before it is a mythical story. So there was a crocodile which wanted to travel all along around the world. Okay, so once it is swimming, it gets tired and it lands on an island, and it is about to die due to hunger. Okay, so a boy sees the crocodile and he feeds it and takes care and makes it healthy. So to just give a thankfulness, it asks him what is his wish, and he says that he also wanted to travel all around the world. So they both go around the world, and as years pass by, the crocodile grows older and it says that it is going to die. And when it dies, it says that the body will grow and it will become an island where the boy and his family can live. Okay, so it promises like that, and as soon as it dies, its body changes to the island, and that island is named as Timor Leste. This is the belief of the people of that country. Okay, so the crocodile is the national animal also, and then the national bird is Timor pigeon. So we are going to remember the friend of the boy and the crocodile is Timor pigeon. Okay, so the capital of Timor Leste is Delhi. So we are going to remember that the boy's name is Delhi. Okay, and then the last flag is Turkey. So Turkey, as you can see, the red is for the struggle for independence, and then this crescent represents Islam, and then the star represents independence. Okay, then the capital is Ankara. Okay, and we are going to just remember that a girl named Lyra, because the language is here Lyra. So a girl named Lyra is wearing an anklet, ankara, okay, and she's walking during night under the moon, and she sees a grey wolf which can be seen only during night. And why she walks is she walks to see an oil wrestling, which is the sports of this country. Okay, there is no national bird, and the grey wolf is the national animal. So let's go straight to the picture hints. So the picture hints is, see, our first is, so there is a timer, a person is holding a timer and it is showing the east direction. So as I told you, it is east, that is Timor Leste. Okay, so Timor Leste, we'll keep the flag of Timor Leste here. And then the next one is Turkey. So this is the bird turkey, and the second clue also key. Okay, so Turkey, so this is Turkey. And then here the mother, as I told you, in Tamil we say Thai, and this is land. Okay, so Thailand. So this is Thailand. Okay, so for the activities what I have prepared is, see, I have just cut out a foam sheet in the shape of a truck. Okay, container truck. I have just cut it like that. Okay, and just cut some brown papers in a square format representing some boxes. Okay, some courier boxes. So see, I have just cut it like this, foam paper, and I have written the country name here. So Thailand, and then Timor Leste, and here Turkey. So the child, you can give all the boxes, shuffle it and give it for all the three countries, and the child can keep it. So for Thailand, the capital is Bangkok, so it will remember the story also. So Bangkok, and then the Thai wanted to chase the cock. Okay, so like that you can just remember. So Bangkok, Thai, and baht, so that is a currency. And then the national animal is elephant, and then the national bird is Siamese fireback, and then the sports is football. So I think any child will be interested to form like this. So by the end it will just load all the container lorry with all this courier boxes. Same time learn all the facts of the country Thailand. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you like, please share and subscribe. Thank you.